So, here we are again. For today's video reflection, we're looking back at Lab 3. Had to make 4 forms, or I think we could have made it fully server-side, but practically we were doing the whole CRUD thing, and we had to at least do 2 of the 4 in each language, which I decided to do the read and update in Cold Fusion and the create and delete in PHP. So let's get to the questions. What didn't go as well as you had hoped? Where did you run into problems with the lab? Let's see. Ran into several problems when it came to creating adding a new user in PHP. I was passing in arguments through a function I called add user, and for some reason for a while I wasn't getting it wasn't communicating with the database, so yeah, had problems with that. And also with my update function in Cold Fusion, what happened was that I set it up so that I would pass whatever the user wanted to update through the arguments in the update function, but if you left the other arguments weren't required, but if you left them empty, it would leave those null. It would update the other fields also, but with null, so that was a problem. So yeah, what went better or was easier than you expected? What went right? Well, obviously the read one was it was practically mostly done for us already. Just had to change a few things, so that was easy. And the rest of it went pretty well. Everything went pretty well. Why do you think we spend all this time writing data access classes instead of just letting SQL queries write into the same file as the HTML? That's a good question. I think just for the whole concept of MVC, just better organization, and yeah, just looks better, and I don't know if it increases performance at all, but I think it's just a lot cleaner that way to separate those fields. Separating the models and the views and whatnot. How do you think what you did in this lab is going to help you in the future work, career, or life? Like I said in my last video, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing a lot of this in the future, God willing. Yeah, it's great practice. I'm pretty sure